example, I'm going to show you a graph related to the export of goods and services in Mexico. Exports of goods and services represent the value of all goods and other market services provided to the rest of the world. If we look at the fact, we can see that the exports in Mexico has improved through the years. Okay, we can notice on this graph that at the beginning of the millennium, the external exchange activity was low, but as I mentioned earlier, it has been enhanced due to the free trade areas that Mexico agreed on with other countries. Let's turn your attention to the period between 2008 and 2010. This point, 2009, we can see an important decrease because of the crisis that Mexico faced. But in 2010, we can observe a very fast recovery in spite of the commercial policies that Mexico had to implement to overcome this period. Okay, look at the last period on the graph, 2012, where you can appreciate a boom in the exports. It means a very important economic progress for our country. It is relevant because the foreign exchange earnings are one of the most important elements in the current account. That's it.
My name is Ana Duran, and today I'm going to talk to you about risk of mortality in the waist size in women. Well, women with a normal body mass index or BMI, but a great waist size have a 3 times more risk to die from cardiovascular disease. And this is published from a journal called Circulation that has been online. As we can see on this graph, we have a bar graph, and is comparing between the cardiovascular disease, which is in blue color, the cancer, which is in red, and all mortality together, which is in yellow. From the start, we can have an equal risk from the lowest quantile. But as we can see, it increases. But we can see a change in the cardiovascular disease that is like even equal from the second lowest and the middle one, but we have a massive increase in the highest quantile. The change from all mortality that is like steady, and then at the end is like in the highest quartile, like the second risk. Well, women with the largest waist size, which is 88 centimeters or even higher, were found to be 79% more likely to die from all the causes we can see in the yellow. Well, in my conclusion, the measures of the abdominal fat, such as waist size, as well as the weight in hip ratio, have a strong predictor of cancer mortality, as well as cardiovascular and many others, such as diabetes, for example. And although the study was all in women, men have also the same risks. No, this is not only for this gender. And well, in my opinion, I think it's important to have a healthy life and to measure yourself the normal waist size through all your life.
Changing the topic to industrial production, first I want to look at this line graph that shows the index of industrial production from January of 2000 to March of 2003 from the X-Corp. We can see a considerable decrease in the industrial production from 92 to 84. Yep. In the year between the 2001 and 2002. For the 2002 and 2003, the production level of 90. After that, the production rise with a few decreases like here in 2006, and in 2008 and 2009, the production fell down. This is one of the causes was the crisis that took place in the 2008 that affect the whole country and also many countries over the world. But then from June of 2009 and January of 2011, just in 2 years, the production rise up quickly and efficiently. And this also continued rising until now, March of 2013. We continue to the next graph. Also shows the industrial production, but in a percentage. This line graph is from March of 2012 through September of 2013. First, we have an improvement in a percentage improvement in the industrial production of 1%. But then in May of 2012, the production fell down, leaving us also in the kickoff of March of 2012. After that, in June, July, and August, the production fell down to September. In October, the production rise up, that it's the most highly point we have here, from -0.5 to 1.5%. After that, also fell down. This is the most important part, why the production fell down in January and February of 2013. The production started to continue working and develop a more efficient production in March of 2013, but samely as here, fell down. Recovering us a little bit, but now, like here in November of 2012, the productions continue. Is leveled up right now in October and November of this year, and we hope that we can also rise like here. Thank you so much.